India, home to 1.21 billion people. The first thing one notices upon arriving in India is the sea of people that exists throughout the city. Then, once on the road, you notice what appears to be absolute chaos. Animals share the roadway with bikes, rickshaws, tuk-tuks, camel-pulled carts, trucks, cars, buses, and people. The lines on the streets, when there are lines, are only there for guidelines and not necessarily hard rules of the roadways. Considering the vast population, the world of India seems very small from a personal point of view. EMPI University is an oasis tucked away in Delhi. While at EMPI University, I met Natasha and Archie. They are both MBA students at the university. We talk, share experience of home, and discuss what each culture thought of the other. It was very informative. I learned that the students in India are not much different from the students in America. We basically assume the same things about each other. I continue to keep in touch with Archie and hope that we will be lifelong friends. I learned the art of rug making firsthand from one of the premier rug manufacturers in India. Jaipur Rugs Company opened my eyes to the process of rug creation. Everything from rug design to finished product was shown to us. We also got to see the process of finishing the rugs before they are shipped to the customer. Special care is taken in delivering a quality product. The rugs are shipped to many parts of the world. A major highlight of the trip was having the honor of presenting our business proposals to the management of Jaipur Rugs, and we received positive feedback. Another highlight of the trip was visiting a couple of villages where the weavers live and work. We experienced the actual weaving process and watched as the lead called out specific instructions to the weaver. Most impactful was the visit to the School for Women, where we witnessed the transformation from illiterate to literate. We witnessed empowerment. So how was I impacted? In general, I was impacted by the people. In specific, I was impacted by Yogesh Shadhari, Dr. Yadev, the villagers, the children, the hard-working, resilient, innovative people of India. I learned that India does not offer social welfare to its population. Because of this, people are forced to become innovative or go hungry. I was also impacted by the unity of our group, made up by Dr. Gupta, Dr. Lin, and the gang from Cal State San Bernardino, even though a few of us almost lost control, at least a couple of times. Oh, let's not forget about the beautiful ancient structures that are prolific throughout India. India has a rich history and culture. The major themes of Indian art seem to begin around 2500 BC. Visiting these magnificent ancient structures gave me an appreciation for Indian architecture and ingenuity. I learned of the many wars that Indians have had with foreign invaders. Also, let's not forget about the camel ride and the elephant ride. The entire trip left me with very fond and lasting memories. What an experience. Thank you, Dr. Gupta and Dr. Lin. I truly enjoyed my doing business with India experience.